All right, guys. Two things before we start. Raise your hand if you're competing Saturday at Fuji BJJ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 adults so far. Great, that's good to know. Guys, just remember, we're on the very last day before the tournament. Competitors, today you're gonna roll, but I want you to go very nice and mild so you don't get hurt, okay? No submissions, probably, don't resist in anything. Just make sure you have a sweat for whoever is trying to cut a little bit of weight, okay? All right, ready, can I borrow you, please? No matter how we landed here, I'm gonna actually give an explanation how the guy lands here, most likely from a guard pass, okay? So guys, I am attacking the total. We know many different ways and grips on how to control here. Normally, hip to hip, one leg out, always using this here to push so you have control and pressure that way. Your hand goes either on the forearm or on the collar. This is one of your main goals. Also, from this position, you can start having seatbelt control. It's all preference and how to like to attack the total position, okay? One thing is very important for you guys to understand, not to wait too long on the total position because he has a lot of power with your legs, with his legs and the lower back to start rolling out, okay? Two things, I'm always on the side. Start moving, ready? You can always control him. Now, you can stick with the game to start to score points, put your hooks and go, or from here, you can start already attacking a choke, okay? So watch this here. I'm gonna go slow motion so you see then you can do a little faster. Go back to this position. I am doing whatever guard pass I'm doing. When he's coming over here, this is extremely important because this is what's gonna make you control the hip. You needed to make this coming up with the hip slightly slower. So, we got a second. You're not gonna do this in a tournament without having practiced the size of your lapel, the size of your gi. Maybe my gi is really small. It's gonna be really hard to do Ezekiel's with a very small uniform. Does it make sense? So you have to own it, you have to know. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make these two positions a little bit better. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna drill, okay? The drill is gonna look like this. So I'm here, I push, I start passing. I'm already here. Because that's what I wanted to begin with. I want this position. And right here, he cannot roll. Do you understand? He has to come to this way. And now, if the belt, of course, is tied up, that's great for me. One, when I pull, you insert in mid-air. Boom. Start stretching, start attacking, and you know how to finish there. And on the second one, obviously you just did. You're passing. My hand is there. Locked in. Now I take that back, and then I finish. Simple enough, guys? Let's go ahead and do one person only for the duration of the round. Then we switch, and the other group will go. Simple enough? Spread out, get your 20 partner. Let's put this to work. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.